Do you feel bloated and uncomfortable after a heavy party meal? Are you one of those struggling with weight loss? And if you're pregnant, are you going through nausea? Are you an avid traveler who undergoes the pain of motion sickness, especially on a hilly terrain? Do you want to know a 1-minute recipe that addresses all these problems? Namaskarams and welcome back to Manchanmal. Keep watching. Today we are going to be making a ginger sweet recipe which multiplies the benefits of dry ginger powder. Dry ginger is called sunthi in Hindi or chukku or sukku in Tamil. Research shows the ability of ginger to break up and expel intestinal gas. Ginger was also reported to reduce food transit time in experimental rats. Interestingly, in Ayurveda, ginger is considered a carminative, that is, it eases passage of food through our digestive tract. In our South Indian tradition, there is a medicinal preparation made specifically during our festival of light called Diwali Lehyam, in which dry ginger powder is one of the key ingredients. Another traditional answer to counter the after effects of the gorging on the snacks and sweets during this festival. Before I forget, this is an excellent home remedy for cough and cold also. So now let's see at this extremely easy recipe of how to make dry ginger jaggery digestive balls, or also called as chukku mittai, with just 3 ingredients. So here I have taken 3 tablespoons of dry ginger powder, 3 tablespoons of raw cane sugar or jaggery powder, and 4 tablespoons of cold pressed sesame oil. You could also use ghee or clarified butter, but I have used sesame oil to make it an extra nutritious vegan recipe. The magic of ginger is attributed to a group of compounds called gingerols. About 31 such compounds have been identified. The total antioxidant level of ginger is very high, only surpassed by pomegranate and some berries. Dried ginger extracts are reported to exhibit pain-killing properties and potent anti-inflammatory effects. The most common use of ginger throughout history is its ability to relieve symptoms of nausea and vomiting. Clinical trials show that ginger consumption is effective and safe in helping to prevent nausea and vomiting during pregnancy with no side effects. The anti-cancer activities of ginger have been associated with their antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and anti-mutagenic properties. Studies suggest that ginger compounds inhibit tumors and suppress proliferation of cancer cells in a wide variety of cancers, including skin, ovarian, colon, breast, cervical, oral, renal, prostate, gastric, pancreatic, liver and brain cancer. A controlled clinical trial study showed significant lowering of fat levels in volunteer patients. Triglyceride and LDL cholesterol were reduced and good cholesterol, that is HDL cholesterol, increased significantly. Studies show that ginger powder can induce a feeling of satiation of hunger and reduce body weight. Ginger is found to contain potent compounds capable of suppressing allergic reactions. Studies also suggest that it might be valuable in managing diabetes. And that is not all. Dried ginger may have beneficial effects in treating dementia, including Alzheimer's disease. Wow, that is quite a handful. So now let's make the dry ginger digestive balls. So I'm taking the dry ginger powder. Let's add the jaggery powder. Now just mix this. Let's add the sesame oil and mix it. So here we've mixed all the 3 ingredients. Post mixing, we'll just make small balls out of this mixture. Here our dry ginger jaggery digestive balls are ready. And by the way, it is a medicinal dessert, and so have one at a time. As we have seen, dry ginger creates a feeling of fullness, and so if you are looking at weight loss, you need to have these digestive balls before a meal so that you eat less. This is not the only answer for weight loss. unless you couple it with a well-balanced, nutritious, fiber-rich diet and physical exercise. With such an excellent, easy, natural home remedy for a wide variety of common ailments, is it not worth mulling over? In today's world, as such, we are exposed to such a wide variety of chemicals in the environment. Should we add on more to it? Especially when you're pregnant, you have to take care that you're not exposed to a wide range of chemicals which may be harmful for the fetus development. And many of us have a tendency to pop in allopathic pills at the drop of a hat for indigestion, for cold, for cough, for motion sickness. Are we willing to replace the allopathic tablets that we use for these common ailments with such a easy natural home remedy like the ginger jaggery digestive balls? Leave your comments below.